No water, no stick, no boiling, just pure chicken flavor. Today I show you the waterless chicken. How to build the pot, my chef techniques, and the secret to deep restaurant flavor. You never cooked chicken like that before. Let's try this, baby.
Here.
The ingredient of our challenge of today.
1 kilo
Oh, fresh.
chicken.
You don't need to cut it, we need it all.
1 big
Not a cabbage.
or Chinese cabbage.
Big, medium, whatever you wanna do.
1 big daikon. I don't know how to do it. 1 medium size.
Carrots.
1 apple.
Make sure it's sweet. This is a gala apple.
1 big
Sides, onion.
yellow onion.
A medium-sized ginger.
3 or 4
Spring onion. Very nice.
salt and pepper to taste.
And don't forget your superfood,
Our special ingredient,
goji berry. Accessory of today, just one. Our Dutch oven coming from Amazon. I will put the link in bio. 1 pot, 1 recipe. This is the secret. How you build the pot. It's actually a super simple recipe because you put everything in the pot and that's it. But before, you need to chop all the vegetables. Few tips for you. First, the cabbage need to go down. This is your base, your water. Remember your salt. You know, it's about the juice. That means if we cannot take it out entirely, this juice, we burn the chicken. Second, the chicken on top. Of course, I will slow sweat on top of the cabbage. Enough salt massaging the chicken, enough salt on your vegetable. They need to sweat, creating this beautiful stock. It's actually the perfect combination of vegetable, apple, and chicken that make the difference. Need to cover entirely the pot. That means the amount is extremely important because after that you cannot touch it anymore. Third one, never open the lids. Need to steam, need to create this oven and cook slowly. Just one way, one amount of ingredient, one possibility. And when you have this, look at that, looks like a cake. Time to cook it. Every kilo of chicken, I will say 1 hour, low fire, slow cooking process, never open the lid. That means just wait and see what's up. We use a low heat, a heavy pan, and let the chicken release its own flavor. This is one of the simple methods we use to create intense flavor without adding any water. In a professional kitchen, we never dilute the flavor. Keep the heat low and steady. Don't rush it, please. The natural moisture inside the chicken become your cooking liquid. And this is exactly how we build flavor in the fine dining kitchen. As I said, I can open this pot, but the smell is unbelievable, guys. Will be nice. And of course, just 1 hour. After that, we just need to wait. Remember, when the chicken is ready, that means 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, we need to let it rest at least 15 to 20 minutes. Need to relax, continually cook, and release the last part of the juice. Waiting for our soup that is boiling, I believe, we do the dipping, the most important part of this recipe.
It's very nice.
And what we need?
1 whole
Spring onion,
3 pieces of
coriander, never miss the coriander. 1 garlic clove,
1 thumb size of ginger,
look at that.
and 1 chili.
I use Thai chili, you use what you want.
Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon.
Soya sauce,
1 tablespoon as well.
and don't forget your olive oil. 3 tablespoons, we warm it up a little bit to dress and infuse this beautiful dipping sauce. And at the end, we will take 2 spoons of our beautiful soup.
Now it's time to taste our dipping sauce. Flavorful.
My turn tasting this beauty. Smell incredible. As usual, that's the one, guys. There is no another one. It's time to check. Actually, look at that. Looks amazing. I will turn this camera and show you the inside. Real time, go ahead. And ta-da-da! I hope it's not burning, but no, that looks right. Guys, smell unbelievable. Okay, now the question is, we will take part of the juice to finish our dipping sauce, and after we will enjoy and show you the result. But looks already amazing, guys. That's the one, that's the only recipe I saw a lot. They burn, they don't use the right pot. I will put all the link in bio and the full recipe. And time to test this beauty. Open, smell, look at that. First the broth.
It's
Sweet, nice, fruity, unbelievable, guys. Very nice one. Without the dipping sauce, it's not the same. That means let's try. Time for the best moment of the video, the tasting. Look at that. It's just melting. Look at that. Unbelievable.
look at that. Let's try.
Yes. Let's try this, baby.
Here.
Actually, it's very nice.
It melts in your mouth, literally.
But it melts, that is not too dry, it's very juicy, extremely juicy. The flavor don't need nothing else, it's unbelievable actually. It's a very nice dish.
And the dipping sauce, it's really perfect for the chicken.
Hey guys, I didn't expect, but that is the best recipe of chicken we ever tested now. The combination is incredible.
He has new favorites.
Very, very nice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe, Laughing Full Flavor, ring the bell of notification for every week a new recipe, plus chef lives and travel. And that's it.